Alrighty, today we're reviewing an app called Flashfood. So, how this works is it allows you to locate stores that can have up to 50% off of food. So, this is what we need when we're looking for food sales, most definitely. So this is going to be your short step-by-step guide on how the Flashfood app works. Flashfood is a mobile app designed to connect customers with discounted food from grocery stores specifically. That's what this is for, grocery stores. So the primary goal is to reduce food waste by offering items nearing their best before date at a significant discount of 50% off or more. So it's kind of like when you go into a store and it's half off because it's going to expire the next day. That's what basically this is, but in the form of an app so that you don't have to actually physically go to the store to find the discounts. And we're going to get more into exactly how all of this works. This provides a win-win situation. Consumers save money on groceries and stores get to reduce the amount of unsold food that ends up in landfills. And that's what the creation of this app was based on. So here's a breakdown on how to use it. Firstly, you would obviously need to download the Flashfood app. The link is going to be in this video's description. It's available for free on both Apple and Android devices. Once it's installed, you create an account. It's going to log your location so you can see what stores are offering items near you. You can often check for participating stores in your vicinity before you even sign up by using the Search Nearby feature. To complete the registration, you'll need to add a payment method with a credit or debit card, because what's going to happen is you're going to be able to literally see the items in the app and then purchase them. Some items may also be eligible for EBT payment. So when you move on to finding the stores, you'll get to see the store and select the store near you with current deals available. And it doesn't have to necessarily be a store near you. You can go anywhere and press this search the area button and it'll bring up stores in other areas. So let's leave Chicago. I can leave Chicago and go to Indiana and press search this area, and it'll show me what stores are in that area. So you can, if you're willing to travel or you do travel for business or for family, then you can see what stores are available in that other particular area. And you'll be able to see the current deals available. The items listed can include a variety of products like fresh fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, bread, and dairy products. The app will display pictures of the items, though for perishable goods, they may be stock images. So remember that as we go through this. You'll see the original price crossed out and the new discounted price clearly displayed. So we're going to look at one of these. So right now we have stores that we're clicking on. We see we have a Dash Mart, we had a Meijer, we have a, what's that other store? Grain something I clicked on. We have now I can't find it, of course, but a lot of Meijer stores that we have connected with the app. Country Squire Food, another Meijer, Village Marketplace, but it was grayed out because there's no deals there. All right, so you see kind of how that works. So we see they have items here, and you can see what the items are. The original price is crossed out, but then you see the discounted price. And see all of these things that are half price just at this store. A lot of things are half price. So that's how this works. Okay, let's go back. So once you find the items you want to buy, you can add them to your cart just like you would any other store. And then you select what you want to buy. If there are multiple quantities available, you can select how many of them you want to purchase. And then the entire transaction is completed in the app, just like any pickup order you would do. So the entire transaction is completed within the app, so there's no need to exchange money at the store. And then after you've paid, your purchase items will appear under the pickup tab. After that, you go to the store to actually pick up the items. So after completing the purchase, head to the grocery store. Most orders are ready for pickup almost immediately. Be mindful of the best before date because you must pick up those orders or those items rather by that date because that's the whole point. They need to sell them before the best buy date. When you arrive at the store, there is going to be a place that's designated as the Flashfood Zone. This is typically near the front of the store or by a customer service desk. And usually you'll see a branded refrigerator for cold items and shelving for dry goods. The app will provide guidance on the specific pickup location for the store that you're going to. When you arrive at the Flashfood Zone, you will need to let a store employee, like a customer service desk or something like that, self-checkout attendant or someone like that, know that you're there to pick up a flash food order. Then they will go ahead and retrieve the items or direct you on how to collect them yourself. You may need to find your purchased items in the flash food fridge and then have an employee confirm it for you. And then after that, you can go ahead and leave the store. So it's as simple as that. You will go and you will look at everything available and then you will purchase. Look at these prices. Great prices. So now we're just going to quickly go over what you can expect. With this app, you're looking at specific food stores partnering with this app. Obviously, all stores aren't partnered with it. So just kind of a quick rundown of stores to look for in your area. Availability depends on where you live. The stores that are partnered with this app are across the United States and Canada. It's available in numerous states and includes stores like Kroger, Stop and Shop, the Save Mart Company stores like Save Mart Lucky and Food Max, Meijer, Food Lion, Giant, Martin's, Family Fare, and Save-A-Lot. There are other stores, but that's just to name a few. And you saw what kind of foods are half off. Now, you can use this to either supplement your grocery buying or completely replace it. If you need an option for super heavily discounted foods, this is a great one. And hopefully you have plenty of foods available in your area. Share this with other people. Share this with other people. Everyone needs to know about this. We can all use a way to significantly save money. So thanks a lot for listening. We're going to bring you more tips and tricks. Until next time.